Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to Project Camper. Welcome back to the Sprinter. I'm inside today because it's Thursday and it is absolutely biblically cold outside. I've got the heater on. It's just so cold. And I'm just about to leave work and I'm going to drive all the way from Bognor Regis, where I am now at work, and I'm going to drive all the way up to the Peak District. So I'm going to wait till the heater on, the diesel heater's on at the moment, and it's on full blast, number 6, and I'm going to leave it on. Well, no, I'll probably turn it down, to be fair, a little bit. Going to leave it on, and I'm just going to drive all the way up. Now, I've had a quick look at the maps, and I know Newport Pagnell is going to be a little bit of a problem, but hopefully when I get there they'll be hunky-dory. So I'm going to do a little bit of footage on the drive, the drive up, and see how it goes, and then get to my first park up. Right, what an absolute crappy drive. I've just arrived at a place called Eyam, which is in Hope Valley, and I've opened up myself a beer because Jesus Christ, do I need one. I'm not kidding you. When I looked at the maps and said Newport Pagnell was going to be a bit of a nightmare, it said on the maps, oh, what was it, about an hour and a half? Oh no, 2 hours 45 minutes stuck in traffic. So, and I've broken my seat. I've got a seat base here, I've broken it because I jumped out of the cab because I was dying for a wee. So handbrake on, jumped out of the cab, and obviously I've still got the double seats at the front, so I just hopped over, trod on the seat base, and I've broken a bit of wood off of it, I think. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, that sits underneath, so the seat base sits on top of that, so that's broken. Oh well, it is what it is. So obviously didn't make it strong enough when I built the seat, did I? Anyway, yeah, in Eyam, and gonna spend the evening with Phil Vanlife, Fester's Vanlife. I'll put a link in the description up there. Go and follow his channel. And then we're gonna head off to Mam Tor and meet up the Beechwoods. Now it's their anniversary, so I'm really excited to see Rick, Debbie and Izzy, because I haven't seen them for a couple of months now, and they are such a lovely couple. So I'm gonna go and meet up with them, and then we're gonna possibly have a little bit of a roadside sort of soiree party type thing, and then go from there. So let's go and do that.
over tomorrow if that's alright. Yeah, no problem. We'll see what else it does. Speed it up. Chill.
Fucking Jesus Christ, got stuck to the plate.
Ready?
It's warmed me up a bit anyway, if nothing else.
Got a bit of lemon, my friend.
Facial reaction. Not phased.
Reminds me of the good old days, eh?
One more.
Right, it's bloody freezing outside, and I think we're all going to go to the pub and have a nice meal. Last night, Martin Van Man come over, and Steve Radcliffe and Rick did some like tequila shots. It's like a bit too much for me. I'm not into tequila, but yeah, it was quite funny. And yeah, we had a little bit of a dancey sort of thing on the road. It was quite cool actually. We were just like, I mean, the weather was really bad, but we didn't really care. So right now we're off to the pub. We're gonna have a meal, and then see what happens.
I wish I'd never. I'm looking a bit wet.
Concentrating hard.
Yeah, I'm a cat.
What's your tea like? Is it nice? Are you dried out yet? No. Soaking. Ah, we need the fire on, don't we? Please, everybody. Hello. Tom Vanson.
I like the video you've done, by the way. You like the little detail on the van and bits, like the air filter and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Traffic light Grand Prix.
Traffic light Grand Prix, yeah. First things first. Super dry, windjammer jackets aren't waterproof. Absolutely soaked. But a big thank you to Van Diesel, Simon, and his girlfriend Amanda for giving me a lift back to the van. Really appreciate it. So I'm going to get out of these wet clothes and then probably just chill out for the night. Morning everyone, how's it going? Right, I volunteered to do the cooking today at Liam Terrible's little get together. So I'm going to get out of bed, get dressed, have a cup of coffee, and then drive over to Barnsley. It's about an hour drive, so and as I'll be cooking, I probably won't do much footage, so I'm going to leave everyone else to do that. So I'll throw in a couple of pictures and then see how it goes. I'll take some photos because I expect it to be quite a good day anyway, and the weather looks to be holding out, so hopefully I'll take some photos and we'll see how it goes. So let's go.